Hello everyone, if you're facing this error when you're trying to play Outrageous Maximum Simultaneous Game Instances Breach, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your game easily. So first off, you need to open up your task manager and make sure to close Easy Anti-Cheat and also Arc Raiders from here if it's running. So just close Easy Anti-Cheat and Arc Raiders, and after that what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, then you're going to open up your game's platform. You're going to right click on Arc Raiders. I'm going to use Counter-Strike as an example. You're going to go into Manage, go into Browse Local Files, and then go to your game's directory, and then right click on Pioneer Game, make a shortcut of it on the desktop, and whenever you're trying to play the game, just run the game from the shortcut and not from Steam. So do not run it from here, but just run it from the shortcut from here, and that should fix your issue and you will not face it again. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.